Inobitec DICOM Viewer. The search of studies and work with the storage. You can search and open the DICOM studies from different type of data sources. Opening a study from the disk. Click on the disk icon. After you see the File Manager window, indicate your disk location. The program will image the studies recorded on the disk. Folder search. Indicate the directory, which contains the studies you would like to open. The viewer will show the list of all studies located in the indicated directory. It can take some time if the folder size is big. You can also open the studies by dragging the zipped or regular folder directly to the program window or to the viewer icon. After dropping the folder to the program window, you will see the first series of the first study in 2D mode. Select Menu, File, Study List to open the separate tab with the list of studies. Now let's see how we can search the studies in the local storage and on the PACS server. After you've selected the local storage, specify the search criteria and click the search button or press enter. Searching without specifying criteria will turn up all the studies in the local storage. It is possible to save frequently used filters in the search presets. In this case, to find the patient with the name Anonymous on a server, we use the preset activated by clicking on a search split button. Once the study has been downloaded from the server, it can be found in the local storage. The most recent studies are marked by a green icon on the left side of the study, which will persist until you click on it. Modality can be made a search preset as well. In this example, the patient's name is Anonymous, and the modality is CT. Additionally, you can search for the specific body part like chest. Patient ID, description and accession number can be also used as a search pattern. To save the search preset, click on the Save button and give it a name. In order to delete the preset, choose the suitable search pattern in the respective menu. Let's look at the advanced settings, which can improve the user experience of the viewer. Go to the Modules tab in the Settings menu and choose Study List Settings. Here we can set up the following parameters. Automatically load the studies from the local storage upon the program startup. Settle a search time interval by default. Make a search by study date or by import date. Additionally, you can set up font family and size, enable to edit patient's name and study description, and other enhanced settings to customize the usability of the viewer with PACS server. The modified name and description will only be saved locally. No changes are made to the original DICOM data. On the study list, the amended data are displayed in italics. You can control the available disk space by using the automatic local storage cleaning feature. The storage can be cleared daily, weekly, monthly, or with every start of the program. The current screen can be divided into two active windows so you can view the images more conveniently. The feature is applicable to all connected monitors. If the studies are transferred directly from the modality devices or workstations, then they will be stored locally in the viewer as long as the program is running. The recent studies will be marked respectively if the local storage of the viewer is open.